Hello, and thank you for buying one of our 2-gallon pump sprayers ready to use with our high-performance paver sealing products already inside. I'm going to show you guys how quick, simple, and easy it is to use our product. Once you receive it in the mail through Amazon or from our website, you're basically just going to open your box. Inside, you're going to find a 2-gallon sprayer ready to go with all the liquid and material mixed in and ready. It's pretty simple to set up. Basically, you're going to untangle your cord. The very end of it is a black nozzle with 2 screw-on tips. The very back one, you're just going to simply unscrew. Take the wand that's in the package, connect the wand directly to the sprayer. Take the little tip that you took off the back and put it at the top of your wand. Tighten that very good. This is an adjustable wand now. Once you have the tip on, this little black piece you can use for fan spray or stream. We recommend a nice fan spray. Then pump your pump sprayer up. And spray your pavers.